Hey guys, Lars here. Yeah, the last time we unboxed the Pisces P100 and this time I would love to unscrew it or open it up and yeah, I would love to do this. Let me quickly unscrew all the four screws here around and then we will take a look on the inside. Okay, all four screws are unscrewed. Let's take a look on the inside. Well, this looks quite amazing, to be honest. Yeah, wait, let me try to move it around a bit. It seems like this is a Raspberry Pi 4. Yeah, because you can see the USB-C over there. So it must be something like a Pi 4 and two daughter boards on it. Oh, yeah. This is amazing. So it seems like this daughter board on the downside here is connecting all the other stuff, like the PoE and Ethernet. And this daughter board on the top side is for the antenna connections. So this is GPS, and there we have, yeah, there we have the low range antenna connection. I mean, quite amazing. It was not that hard to open it up. It was really only unscrewing all the four screws around, and then you can take a look on the inside. I saw someone else who was powering the Pi 4 via USB-C and plugging only Ethernet, not power over Ethernet in it. Should be working, but keep in mind whenever you open this up and want to try things out, the producer of the Pisces P100 is telling everybody, if you power it up, please make sure everything is connected. So I would suggest that you all do this if you're trying to open it up and powering it via USB-C. I got myself a PoE injector, and in the next video I will show you how to connect it and set it up in your Helium app. So see you soon, guys.